Hi guys, welcome to the show Champions of Footballics. My name is Ninad Chirab, and today on show we have got the player known for his passing, dribbling, vision, movement on and off the ball. These attributes are one of the best player I ever played with and the current undisputed best player of Footballics, Kunal. Hi Kunal, welcome to the show. It's an honor to have you on the show.
Hello, Ninad. It's good to see you. Thanks for having me. Yeah, really excited to be part of this the latest in the Footballaholics scheme of things. So yeah, very happy to be here.
We keep on trying to do stuff, some of the other things. So,
Yes,
how are you and how's life in lockdown?
life's good. Yeah, I mean it's not always the same without football. So missing football terribly. But otherwise, yeah, I've been taking the lockdown very seriously. I barely move out of home.
Oh,
uh, even on weekends. तो अब थोड़ा सा डर लग बैठ गया अभी. I am very serious about this, so I can be a little more patient, I think, before stepping out.
yeah, it's worth it. It's worth it to be patient.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
so tell us about you. Like, when did you start playing the game of football?
Football for me actually started off when I was, I mean, I had been playing since school, but I got like dead serious about it only around once my 12th standard was done. So after HSC, I started playing with these ex-OLPS folks. A couple of them used to stay in my lane here at Farm Road. So they introduced me to the bigger gang who used to play at OLPS quite frequently. So I think that was the first ever group I joined, and I got really serious and regular with the football. And from there on in, yeah, I just got to me, and I think I barely play any other sport now. So that's how it's been.
So, what motivated you to take the game? Any motivation during your life?
Yeah, actually, before playing, I just started watching football courtesy my brother. He introduced me to the English Premier League, Ashish, of course. I think around 2003 was when watched United's first ever game, and I think that is something that really got me grip to football. And उसके बाद से तो there was no looking back. The passion has just kept on growing ever since. So what been for watching United play for like almost 17 years. That's a long time. So
True.
yeah, I think that's where I inherited my football from. But yeah, playing was something that gradually happened. I mean, I kept enjoying it more and more, and I think at the same time, cricket ke liye the interest had faded away. So both of the things happened simultaneously, and luckily I got good groups to play with for football, so that helped a lot.
So, any player you admired or a person you admired growing up?
Yeah, I mean my all-time favorite actually is Wayne Rooney. I somehow had every time I used to watch him play, that the passion and the aggression with which he used to play, and there were times where a tackle would lift the entire team. Some of his qualities I really admired, and I mean that United came through and through inside him. So that's one player I've always been a very big fan of. uh, I don't think there's anyone who's not a fan of Leo Messi. So that's always there. That magician, I think, is on top of everybody's list. But yeah, I think I have a very soft corner for Wayne for sure.
That's nice. That's really nice. So, a few years back, you went to a futsal tournament or some selection, right? 1 or 2 years back.
Yeah, I think that was a couple of years back for
So,
the
what exactly
Indian.
what
Yeah.
was it about, and where did you reach it?
So that was a 2 day thing. So I think it was over a weekend. So they had this entire selection process where Saturday was just for fitness. They were to just test you on different drills. I mean, there were so many of them, and somehow I had to get through that to finally get to play some football the next day. So in fact, that was the hard part, which I got through somehow. I couldn't believe it. So there were drills where you had to do the most difficult of things that I had never done in my life, even playing professionally, like they made you do squats and different types of stretching and sit like there was one, the toughest exercise I still remember was you had to like lean against a pole and then stand in that, like you're sitting on a chair in that
Oh,
position,
that's difficult.
and hold it, yeah, hold it for as long as possible. So they divided us into groups of 4 and 5, and whoever lasted the longest was the winner in that group. And they made us do all kinds of exercise, and then finally they made us do a race which I'm not ashamed to say I came last by a mile. I was so exhausted, my muscles were gone totally, I was not prepared for it, but still that guy who was doing the selection said you just scraped through, somehow you need to buck up, and for tomorrow you need to be really geared up if you have to go through. So I got through that day, but the following day I think politics took over. There was a lot of I mean, good players, deserving players who never got through. Just, I mean, they barely, made us play also. Like, I couldn't even touch the ball in that 2 or 3 minute game they made us play. And I think by evening there was a list that came out. No one knows what the basis of that final selection was, but it was a good experience overall. There was some real quality on display to see in that selection process.
Yeah, Kiran told me about this, and very few people know about all the tournament that you went through. Like it was amazing for us to know that someone is representing us. They has gone to some tournament over there for selection. It's truly amazing for us over there.
Yeah, I mean, I didn't know. I didn't think it was a very big deal. I think Kiran actually had introduced me to that in the first place because उसने मुझे एक link भेजा था, which I thought, why not? Let's see what happens. Let's go and just try it out. And then I could see where I actually stood in amongst those people who were like kick-ass 16, 17-year-olds who were really, like at the top of their game. And it was at least, I mean, at least a joy to interact with all of those people and play with them. So it was good fun.
So coming back to footballics, uh, so how did you join footballics? Like how did you came to connect with
Hmm.
footballics?
Footballholics, I think I was part of this group even before it got this name, I think,
Correct.
because the earliest memory of this I have is again the Motilal Oswal team that used to practice. So again, Ashish had a big role to play because then Ashwin, Sanchal, Ashish all were part of Motilal Oswal. So they used to get together and play. And I think one of those weekends Ashish invited me also. So I played with these Motilal Oswal folks, and then I think जब group बना तो by default I got added to that group, or I think they changed the name itself from
The
memory.
name of the group got changed. The group name used to be some slot date and time. So then we started interacting more on football and alcohol. And then the group name became as Footballics. So that's where.
I mean I know that transition happened in the with the naming of the group, but yeah, I mean I can't remember much else. Like it's so old now, but if I'm not wrong, it did start with that Motilal Oswal only. I think exclusively.
True. So tell me your toughest opponent. So you have played with many people at Footballics. So who is your toughest opponent?
Toughest opponent.
So I know you don't
I
find much tough opponents, but still, among them,
नहीं नहीं
who
ऐसा
is one
कुछ
of
नहीं
those?
है. So I mean of late I've really started to struggle against pace. So people who generally can outrun me, like I mean Sagar is one who comes to mind. People who are like quick with their skills, the young guys especially, people like Kabir. It's difficult to keep up with them, especially with the kind of at the wrong side of 30 that we are. So I it's difficult that way. But yeah, I mean, toughest, I would definitely say I struggle against physicality as well. So Ian is the one player that comes to mind along with Moite. I mean, he's one of the most improved players, I believe, for
Mohit.
this group. And, and yeah, Moite. And he is difficult to play against. he's got like deceiving pace also, but
True.
at the same time he's quite physical and difficult to play. I mean, I found that out in a couple of the recent FPL tournaments as well.
So talking about FPL tournaments, what are the three best moments that you had in FPL tournament?
uh, Shadow of a doubt, the first inaugural FPL final. I think that's one that's very fresh in all of our memories still.
True.
It was like a fairy tale comeback. I mean, it was just. I mean, first half, I think we were shell shocked by the end of it. I
We were
mean,
just so we completed the like we competed in the tournament. We were top of the group
yeah,
by miles. We
yeah,
dominated each and every game, and then we came to
right.
finals.
I know. And the first match of the tournament, I think we were a man short, or maybe
Bad
two.
shot, yeah. Monel was there in our team.
Of course, yeah. So, and still we managed to win. I mean, we were consistent throughout. And there's also, I think, the best team I've played in so far. That first FPL, yeah, because it was a good mix of mature guys. I remember Harish was there as well.
Harish was
It was a
brilliant.
proper team effort. It was
Yeah,
even in the second half comeback.
second half comeback, yeah. And then
Yeah.
you,
So, uh, in FPL, yeah. So, can I choose a non-FPL moment?
that is also cool.
Because one moment I think I really will find it difficult to forget was this game against Sandeep's team.
Sandeep's
I
team.
don't that goal I scored with that nutmeg and the chip over the goalkeeper. I think
Everyone
that was
recollect that. Everyone can recollect that. We were there.
that's one goal. Yeah, that's one goal. I really I wish it was video shot so that I वो एक अच्छा feeling था after scoring that goal. I still remember. That was good. But yeah, in terms of FPL, I don't know. Maybe one tournament which we actually didn't manage to win. Uh, I think again, I think you and I were in the same team. I think Sanchal was also there. Uh, there were a few mistakes that cost us dearly.
So
I'm sure you know.
I was one of those. That was very
But it,
bad. So we just gave away that match. Like I was responsible
yeah.
for that.
Yeah, I mean, we never thought it would turn out to be so costly because it was fine margins. We could have easily won that tournament, but it was just those little things that ended costing us. I think we didn't even make it to the finals
No,
in
we
that
didn't
tournament.
make. We wanted
Yeah.
to. We were. There was one game left, and we had to win that game. And we were playing against the defense of Karthik and Mohite and Akshay
Yeah.
Awad in the center.
Wow. Yeah.
So it
And
was.
but yeah, I mean, it was one of those I think which I'll remember for the wrong reasons.
We shall come through that.
Yeah, hopefully. Can't wait.
So tell us about your dream team of football. It's like if you want to build a team, so who would you have in your team? 7 players.
7 players, including myself.
Yeah, you are obvious choice. Like everyone chooses you. You cannot keep yourself out of the team.
Flattered. But I think yeah, goalkeeper is a pretty unanimous choice. I mean, it's like it's a tough one now because Mohite is giving Gagan some serious competition.
True.
But I think Gagan's agility and his experience in the goalkeeping area, I think you can safely count on him to be a keeper. So it would be Gagan, I would say. The two defenders, I think I don't have too much difficulty in selecting you and Karthik. I think you'll be the stalwarts in defense for me. Uh, uh, it's an easy choice. In midfield, alongside me, I would definitely want KDB to be there. I don't think it'll ever happen in FPL history,
It
but
will never.
it's a dream team, so
Yeah.
why not? Uh, KDB, and yes, one person I want to play more with, of course, is Ashish. I really enjoy playing with him as well. So I think the three of us would really make a good midfield with our understanding. And yeah, up front, up front is actually a tricky one, because up front I have two or three people who I would love to play with. So there's Ashwin first of all, then there's Ian, and there's Kiran also. Kiran, I think from 3-4 years ago, maybe I would have he would have had a better chance. I don't think. I mean, because we know we coordinate so well, but I think for the sheer experience I've had playing with Ashwin, I think he would nick that place in front of Ian and Kiran for me, because I think right from the start we played together and we have this telepathic understanding. I don't know if Ashwin
Yeah,
agrees, but
no, we know that. We have seen that happen. Like between you and
yeah,
Ashwin, we always see some of the chemistry in the game. Like you two
yeah,
find spaces. Like it's like
exactly.
a relationship with the time and space. That's what is
Yeah,
there like at that time.
yeah,
So I recollect a goal of yours in the final at Turf Park, Kurla, when
yeah.
you went through past three players and passed the ball to Ashwin, and Ashwin squared it
Mm-hmm.
off to Ian, which
Yeah,
eventually
yeah,
got you the goal and the title. So
right.
you didn't mention about this, but for us standing from outside, this moment was amazing where you dribbled past three,
Mm.
four players easily. So we could see that interaction between you and Ashwin. As you rightly said, telepathy, it was amazing, truly amazing.
Yeah, yeah, he's real fun to play with, and mostly I think this team of seven is the one that I've chosen is players I really enjoy playing with, and of course there's a lot of other names I would like to take, but yeah, these are the ones on top of my mind.
Thanks a lot, Kunal. It was great knowing you. So please do like, share, and subscribe.